Hello, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that we still have hidden secrets that can harm you. They say it's causing deception, and also frustration, jealousy, and it also can bring heartbreak. Maybe that's why you're holding on to it. It is time now to share the truth. When you share, everyone feels happy. It might not be so good in the initially, but over time things do heal. There is financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past, but the moon card is telling me that this deception and secrets that you're holding on to is causing the delays from your money coming to you. Um, they say you are getting stronger in yourself, and your magic abilities are growing. You need to use them wisely. In your career there has been losses, and so things just never worked out for you, and Archangel Michael says there's new opportunities for happiness that's coming your way. He says you're going to get together with somebody, and with teamwork, something is going to come about. You're going to trust your intuition, and it will bring you new beginnings and happiness. You need to let go of anxiety. The universe says yes, they're nudging you and wanting you to pay attention to your health. So pop on at the doctor's just for the general checkup, just for the angels to feel happy. This will actually bring you improvements and balance back into your life. Thank you very much for listening. Have a lovely evening. Love you all.